They thought they were gonna get us without a single gas or nitro. Well, we're gonna destroy this.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Throw it out. What's up, Nitro Gang? I'm out here with my Traxxas Revo 3.3. We got a fifth scale Rover in Baja. We got the radio control car action magazine without a single gas or nitro in it. My friend Jeremy here. Dude, what do you think about this magazine? I know you just looked it over. Did you notice there's not one gas or nitro in this whole thing?
There's no gas and nitro in this. This magazine sucks.
Are you pissed?
Yeah, who the hell can do electric, man? Who the hell can do
Yeah, destroy it, destroy it.
fucking thing?
All right, what do you think about driving over this, burning it, maybe even doing a burnout with this V8 Mercury Grand Marquis? We're gonna stick it under the tire because we already know there's not one gas or nitro in here. And when we come RC, we bring the nitro, we bring the gas. And for today's video, we have a special little present. This Revo will now forever be known as the Zenoa edition, baby. You see that? It's got a piston for decoration. Not only do we have the TRX 3.3 motor inside there, but we also came to play with an actual Zenoa low friction, high RPM piston, baby. Woo! They thought they were gonna get us without a single gas or nitro. Well, we're gonna destroy this.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Throw it out. First thing I'm gonna do, start up my Revo, get the cover here a little bit dirty. It's pissing me off too much. Is it pissing you off?
Oh, hell yeah, brother. You gotta burn this thing.
Let's just hope my Revo doesn't piss me off. You never know. My easy start system here is actually kind of trash.
Guys, support Dimitri. Get him a new one. Get him a new one.
Don't worry, I already have a plan. We're gonna make this a lightweight sport Revo, and I'm gonna get a damn pull start.
Ooh, beautiful.
It's just a connection in this easy start. The wires are a little bit crooked, so I have to constantly jiggle this around. No big deal. Still better than an all-electric RC magazine.
Ugh.
By the way, we have the Electro Gang out there with a table playing some oldies music. Some oil on it. Until next time. Full speed, baby.
And it's gone.
Look at those brakes. The brakes are insane. Wheelie. And it's gone. No flips, nothing. Whoa, almost front flip, you saw that? This is what you call the ultimate RC magazine fail. If they don't put at least one gas or nitro, this is what winds up happening. The magazine, it's taped to the back of the Revo. I'm gonna burn this and then I'm gonna yell 2-speed baby while accelerating, and this thing is hopefully gonna be on fire. We got Jeremy over there putting some nitro fuel all around it, saturate that thing good.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
You already put some of your gas, right, from the Baja?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nitro and gas, baby.
Nitro and gas. Now we just gotta get this Revo started. We don't want any problems. First, I'm gonna start up the Revo. When I start it up, I want you to light that thing on fire. It's actually kind of, you know, just maybe you could throw something that's on fire on it. I don't know. How you gonna light up? Because nitro fuel burns kind of clear. It's not like gasoline.
Oh, that's fine.
And it has oil in it. Start her up. No, shit, don't start her up. Don't start her up. We need a take two. Take two. It's real man stuff, not electrics over here.
I got it. Yo. Yeah, I just had a jump. Woo.
We're done with that run. This is all that remains of that magazine. What'd you think about that run, Jeremy? Did you see me hit 88 miles per hour when this thing was burning? I thought I was gonna send this thing back to the future like Michael J. Fox did in that movie.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. You ran that over. It was burning. That puppy is no more. Don't make magazines like this anymore, guys.
Exactly.
Gas
I'm gonna run over
only.
it. That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm out of stuff to say. Later. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She says she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Ooh. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the three, I hit the.
What's up?
I don't want to hear this once a day. Come on, let's get big. Come on.